Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you have seen those stunning AI generated videos on social media and you want to create your own. You open Gemini, look for the video creation option and it's nowhere to be found, or even worse, it's there, but every time you try to generate a video it fails. Veo is Google's advanced video generation model, but it has very specific requirements. According to Google support experts, the feature is only available to paid subscribers and may not appear for users in certain regions. So in this guide I will cover the most common issues preventing Veo from working and how to fix them. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you want to check your subscription and region. This is the most common reason Veo isn't working. According to the Google community, the feature is typically exclusive to paid subscribers of Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. If you are on the free version, you won't see the option. Also, access to Veo is currently not available in the European Economic Area or EEA, UK or Switzerland. If you are in one of these regions, the option will not appear. Then you have to find the Veo option in the interface. Troubleshoot when Veo shows up but fails. So let's say Veo appears but the uploads fail. You'll be asking, what's the problem? A corrupted cache is often the culprit. Clear the cache for the Gemini app in your phone settings if you are using Android, or you can clear basically the cookies if you are using the website from here. Go all the way to cookies, inside data, 7 cookies in use, select all of them and remove them. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.